Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I have for sale this. It is a BMW S1000RR. What an absolute belter of a sports bike from BMW. Stunning to look at. This one is even better. It's actually got the fairings from a 2017 model, so it's a little bit newer looking than what it is. It's a 2015 15 plate, 4,650 miles it's only done. They're a mega machine, these. Different power modes that you get with them that you can adjust. You got your rain, sport and race there. Obviously gear indicator. You got the seat cowl on the back, the aftermarket exhaust, the tail tidy, so you got the noise there, and obviously the protection on the sides. Gorgeous to look at, goes like the clappers. What more do you need? Anyway, to get it purchased, it's simple. You pop down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call. Thank you.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.